Hello, darlings. This is Gammy Mini. And can you see that I'm in the woods and that I have on my hat and I have on glasses, I have on gloves, I have on my work clothes, but what am I holding in my hand? It's a real chainsaw. Now, Gammy is putting in a new dock, so we have to clear some of the trees where the dock is going to go. And I'm using my chainsaw to limb up so that I have a way to walk through. Now the chainsaw has a safety button right here. I can push this lever to turn it on and make the motor go as much as I want, but unless I press in the safety button, it will not work. So now watch and listen. I'm going to push in the safety button and then come right over there and cut off the limb. I have done it on this tree and I'll do it on some of the others. It's so important to have the right tool when you're working. And this little mini saw is perfect for me, for my size. I couldn't use a great big lumberjack saw, but this helps me get done what I need to do with me being a woman, a grandmom. Children, I love you.